Hi Leo and welcome to your monthly predictions. We are going to talk about how month of January 2021 is going to be for you. I'm making these videos in advance so that you get some time to watch the December videos also, and there are a lot of things that we need, each one of us has to work upon in the month of December to have 2021 in the way we want it. So have it as a year of renewal and have it as a beautiful year as we want it. So that's why I'm giving you that that window where you can actually listen to your December predictions and you can listen to your January predictions, and by listening to both these predictions you can actually start working on the things that you need to work upon early on, so that you can actually change the month of January or the year of 2021 for you. And that is the beauty of tarot cards. They give you an idea about what is happening or what is going to come for you, and they give you also solutions or suggestions as to how you can change it for better. So use that time period. And also this month I'm using one extra card where I'm going to talk about what is your soul growth that is going to be for the year of 2021. So the whole year of 2021, what do you need to do for growing your soul or for spiritually growing, and how will your soul grow during this period of 2021? Because it feels like it's a period of renewal and a lot of souls are going to grow and awaken during this period of 2021. So looking at your cards, one thing that I would want to tell you about January, the month of January, and you have the ability to work on it and change it, is that it is the month where though the delays that have been happening in your life, they will somewhere start ending, and you'll start seeing the ships coming in. So you'll start seeing the things happening or the changes happening, but it feels like your focus this month is going to be on what is not there. Your focus is going to be what is not working out. Your focus is going to be how bad the things are, or how things are not working out, or how people are bad, how bad the people are, how bad the situations are. It looks like your focus is going to be majorly on that, and if you have the focus on that, you will end up arguing with people. You will end up getting into fights, and that's not really a good place to be in. And this month there is a card of Temperance, and there is a card of Justice. So actually you have the ability to keep yourself in balance. You have the ability to listen to your own intuition or inner voice. You have the ability to avoid all kind of fights or situations or arguments, and if you do that, there is a Justice card in the end. So everything that is just for you will happen, that is meant to happen will happen. But for that, because justice means that whatever you do wrong, you get punished for it, and whatever somebody else does wrong, he or she gets punished for it. So if you are the wrongdoer this month, you will also get punished equally. And that is why it is important that this month, one, try to not get into any kind of arguments with anybody. Just avoid any kind of fights, whether it is literal fights, whether it is fights within. Avoid any kind of sadness that you have within yourself or outside, and avoid any kind of addictions that you have, because this month has the great potential to take you towards achieving your dreams. Because Three of Wands is a card where things that you look at, or the goals that you want to achieve, you can kind of see them coming across. And then the center card is also Nine of Pentacles. It's a card where your hard work is giving you the fruit of whatever you've done, and there is growth, there is money. It's just that there is a small snail here, and the snail is the representative of slowness or the slow speed, and that's why the growth might be slow. And because the growth will be slow and you want it to be fast, is when you will feel sad about it. So let's just start with your health. For your health, first thing that I'm going to tell you is that avoid any kind of addictions this month, whether it is an addiction which is like alcohol or cigarette or anything. It's addiction of sleep, it's addiction of negative thinking, it's an addiction about food, it's an addiction about junk food, it's anything, any addiction about relationships, addiction about watching something, any addiction that you have, avoid that this month, because that's going to give you major problem this month, and you need to deal with this, because this is the month to deal with your fears. This is the month to deal with things that you're not been able to deal with. Rather, this is the year of working on that, and that is why you need to work on your addictions. Second, because this month kind of feels that there is going to be a lot of emotional changes that you'll undergo, or rather, I would say more than changes, it feels like you will be more focused on what is not there or the negativity. That is why emotionally this is the month where you look at opportunities and good things, so you keep yourself emotionally balanced. If you see, there are three cups which are fallen. This person is looking at them, but there are two cups they're straight ahead here. He can actually look at them, and if he looks at them, he'll also see there's a bridge towards the home that he wants to get to. So there are possibilities, there are opportunities. It all totally will depend upon where is your focus, and that's why there is justice, there is temperance, there is 9 of pentacles, but at the same time there is devil, there is 7 of swords, and there is 5 of swords, and it's all telling you that this month it's a choice. Where do you want to look at? So for your emotional health, make a choice to look at the positive things. And other than that, I think some hormonal issue might be there, but that's like in the beginning of the month, like allergies, viruses, but that's the beginning of the month. Other than that, I don't see much of the problems if you actually take care of yourself from addictions. That's if you keep yourself balanced, if you keep your diet balanced, if you keep your thoughts balanced, then there is no problem this month. If we talk about your wealth or money, the center card is 9 of pentacles. 9 of pentacles is the card of money, is the card of growth, but along with that, because there is 5 of cups on it, and the number 5 is very prominent on this month for you. Number 5 is the number of change. It's the number of major changes or shifts in your life, and I kind of feel that with regards to money also, one, there is a possibility of some kind of cheating happening, though there is a justice card. So if somebody cheats you or somebody takes your money or does anything wrong, that person will get punished. And at the same time, because you are very sad and you are indulged into some kind of negativity, there is a possibility you end up or you think of cheating somebody. Don't do that this month, because the end of the month justice, you'll get caught. So it's not that if you do something wrong to somebody, you will be able to escape from it. So money will flow into your life. It will be like balanced, like you'll be able to carry on, not too much, but because with snail there is a card of independence, there is 3 of wands. I think you will have it all once you start focusing on yourself, you start focusing on positivity, and you start focusing on what's there on in your life. If we talk about your relationships, this is not the month for relationships to basically to get into arguments, to fight with people, to try to win an argument. No. So this is not the month where you get into argument with people. This is not the month where you get into gossip, where you indulge into gossip. And also this month, ensure that and know that arguments are not more important than people. Winning an argument and losing people is not absolutely worth it. And that is why this month, ensure that you're working on your relationships. You are looking at the positive side of everything. You are not indulging into any kind of fights. The more balance you pull into your relationship, because there's temperance, the more slowly you progress your relationship, the better it is going to be. And that is why I would suggest that this is not the month where you get married. This is not the month for pregnancy either. This is not the month where you actually progress or move ahead with any relationship outside of your world. It is the month where you work on yourself, within yourself. So work on your attitude, work on changing your thought process, work on changing your mindset, and while you work on that, the relationships outside will automatically start becoming better, because there is a card of justice. So everything will reflect upon the other people as well. Also this month, there are chances of you start feeling you feeling stuck into the relationship that you are in, or there are chances of some kind of cheating from your spouse or from you. So there could be that you might just feel attracted to somebody else, and the cards are saying that this month, please keep your focus on positives. Please keep yourself balanced. The more balanced you are, the better it is, because end of the month there is justice. Everything is going to flow fine. This is the month of shift that is happening inside you, so that is why you need to be more careful with this shift. If we talk about your job and career, so this is the month where still I kind of feel that the job opportunity, if you don't have it, it might come your way towards the end of the month. And there is a month where there is some kind of struggle, some kind of movement, some kind of delay that's still happening, but you'll start seeing the ships coming in this month. So you will start seeing the things happening. You'll start seeing the interviews getting aligned. You'll start seeing things happening towards positive this month. But it is very important to keep your attitude and your mindset positive, because there's a card of justice. Justice always works with how balanced we are. There is temperance. Temperance works with how balanced we are and how positive we are and how hopeful we are. And it's all karmic. It's all about how it should happen. Angels are watching you. They know what they are doing, and they know where they are flowing you, but you need to be balanced as well. If you are thinking of leaving your job, please don't do that this month. I will not suggest that at all. If you are getting indulged into any kind of fights or anything within your job, don't do that this month. Avoid it completely. family. If somebody is doing any kind of wrong to you, that person will get caught, that person will because that person will not be able to sneak out of it. There is a card of justice. If you are doing something wrong to somebody, you will also not be able to sneak out of it, because there's a card of justice. So this month, ensure that you are balanced. This month, ensure that you are able to bring that balance into your life, into your actions, and keep yourself positive. That's very important. And if you're thinking of business, if you're thinking of having, or if you're thinking your family business or your business is not working, it's not giving you that kind of independence that you wanted or that you thought it would, it will, it is coming your way. It's not the time where you run away, it's not the time when you leave something. It's the time where you focus on the positive. It's the time where you only focus on what is there, what you can do for better. And if you focus on positive, you will see the ships coming and you'll see the things happening. The justice will happen by end of the month for you. So remember that, don't forget that for sure. If we talk about your soul path, this is majorly the month of shift and change that I have been saying to you throughout your reading, because there are fives. There is this 1 5, there is second 5, even 14 temperance. If we kind of say 1 plus 4, it is 5. There is 5 of cups also. So there are 4 5s on your cards, and they are because you need to kind of get along with the shift, and that is your soul growth. Say hi. Say hi, everyone. Say hi, everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Please be positive.
Please be positive.
Good things will happen. For sure. Stay positive.
Stay positive.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Flying kiss. So just stay positive. This is just to add on to your positivity, and this big shift that is happening in your soul growth. She came at her own, and she's sitting like this. She never does that. She makes me kind of stop the video, but maybe there is a message for you that there is a shift that is happening, and this shift is going to bring more prosperity and more good things in your life. But for that shift, it is very important this month that you work on facing your fears. Moon card is all about facing your fears. Devil card is all about your fears, things that you're feeling stuck with. And if you face them, justice, it's saying if you face them, if you don't run away from them, your soul is growing, and when your soul grows, everything works out in your favor. अच्छा जाओ. So अच्छा बेटा, अच्छा आओ. So everything will work out for your favor, in your favor, and that is why you need to actually be focused completely for good. Chakra of the month for you. The chakra of the month for you this month is root chakra and heart chakra. So there are 2 chakras that I am giving you. The mantra for root chakra is Lam. The mantra for heart chakra is Yam. Please focus in these 2 chakras. They are going to help you big time this month, because there are big shifts coming. Root chakra will keep you balanced, and there are emotional shifts coming, or you need to stay positive. Heart chakra will help you do that. What is your mental exercise of the month? This month there is a card of Sun. It says life is wonderful. Thrive through the power of positive thinking and inspiring success. And that is what your cards are saying, that this month is all about positive thinking and all about being positive. So this month keep affirming that I allow myself to be positive. I'm completely looking at everything in a positive way. Everything that is happening in my life is happening for a purpose. I know it, and everything is flowing to me towards abundance and happiness. So do that this month. It is going to help you big time. For the surrender card of the month, the first card says surrender stress. It says take few deep breaths and exhale the tension you have built up in your body. Let the stress go as you come back to your center, and that is what the month is about. It needs to kind of teach you how you should deal with your stress. The second card says surrender to the wisdom of your body. Our body kind of knows everything. Listen to your body's message about a person or situation. If you feel physically drained or uncomfortable, be cautious. If you are energized and happy, move forward. And like I said, there is a chance of cheating. That is why it is very important to listen to your body. Your gut tells you everything, but at times we ignore that. So this is the month where you listen to the wisdom of your body and take your decisions accordingly. The third card that I have for you says surrender to divine timing. It says sometimes divine timings may differ from your ego's timing. If your goal isn't manifesting fast enough according to your ego, be patient and trust the universal law. So that is why trust the universal law. If it is not happening how you want it to happen, like I said, if there is slowness, and if you're feeling that slowness and you're feeling everything is going very slow and you're feeling sad because of it, don't be. It is happening in the perfect timing it should. The message of unicorn for you says divine sight. It says see the divine in everyone, and that is what the message is, that if you actually see positive, you will see positive in everyone, everything, and you will not have to get into gossip or arguments with people. So avoid that this month. What will happen if you follow the advice of the card? The card is the Chariot. It says determination and self-control, career advancement, acknowledgement of success by others. And that is one of the most important parts of your reading, that once you focus on yourself, once you start focusing on positives, once you start focusing on what you need to do, how you need to improve, and how you need to deal with other people in your life, and arguments are not more important than people, you will actually start seeing a change in the attitude of people towards you as well. So that's the big shift that this month is bringing you. That is why you need to deal with these fears of yours this month. Number of the month, undoubtedly number 5 for you. Color of the month, any shade of red or green is good for you. If we talk about what is your soul message for this whole year, the card says Star Mother. It says how can you mother yourself. So usually the cards are about, or the soul message is about, how you need to nurture yourself for 2021. And as a mother will never teach a child to say something wrong, to do something wrong, or would not want any hurt to happen to her child. And that is how you have to be to your body and your soul this whole year. So you have to nurture yourself like a mother. If you nurture yourself like a mother, you will see beautiful changes in your life, and this is irrespective of you are a male or a female. But nurture yourself like a mother and you will see positive changes in your life coming. So that is all that I have for you for this month. If you want to know more than this, you can contact me for your personalized tarot reading through the Facebook link that is provided in the description box or through the comment section. You just have to write I need my personalized reading. I will share my number with you and will take it forward from there. I'm really sorry my daughter has been in and out during the whole time I made this video, because I had some kind of engagement, something that I had to take care of. So I had to make this video when she was around, so I'm sorry for that. And also wish you a very happy 2021. May this year kind of brings all the changes and ends all the delays that have been happening in your life. And also with that, may you are able to nurture yourself like a mother, and you are able to move across this whole sadness that have created around you, and you're able to move across to more balance and justice. So I will see you with the next month prediction. Please share the video with everyone that you can. Subscribe the channel, and once you do that, you'll be a medium to help some people get the videos and get the positivity in their life. She'll just say a bye bye to you. Say bye bye.
Say bye bye.
Take care
Take care.
and be happy.
And be happy.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy 2021.
Happy 2021.
And everything will be good.
And I'll see you good.
Everything is good.
It's good.
Happy New Year. Bye bye.
Happy New Year. Bye bye.
Thank you so much. I'll see you with the next month's prediction. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.